I'm Ava, and welcome to Korean Ladder, the radio lesson where your room starts speaking Korean.
안녕하세요, 하나입니다. 오늘은 집 안의 기본 구조 단어를 배워요.
안녕하세요, 준호입니다. 문, 벽, 바닥, 천장, 지붕을 자연스럽게 말해봅시다.
Here's my English speaker problem. In English, floor can mean the surface under me or the level of a building.
is 바닥,
Both?
Good question. 바닥 is the surface under your feet. A building level, like first floor or second floor, is 층.
오늘의 핵심은 집의 구조 단어예요. In English, these are the basic parts that make a room or home.
So today I'm not learning furniture. I'm learning the room itself.
First word, 무. 무 means door. In everyday Korean, it can point to the door panel or the doorway.
문이 열려 있어요. The door is open. Here he marks 문 as the subject.
문이 열려 있어요.
The door is open.
Next, 벽. 벽 means wall, the vertical surface around the room.
사진이 벽에 있어요. The photo is on the wall. It marks the location.
So, 벽에,
Can mean at the wall or on the wall, depending on the object.
Next, 바닥. 바닥 is the floor surface, the part you stand on.
가방이 바닥에 있어요. The bag is on the floor.
가방이 바닥에 있어요.
That feels very useful.
Next, 천장. 천장 means ceiling, the inside top surface of a room.
등이 천장에 있어요. The light is on the ceiling. 등이 means the light as the subject.
천장,
That's the ceiling inside, not the roof outside.
Exactly. 지붕 is the roof, the outside top part of a house or building.
고양이가 지붕 위에 있어요. The cat is on the roof. 위에 means on top of or above.
So, if I am inside and I look up,
천장,
if I am outside looking at the housetop,
지붕,
Now the location pattern. Noun plus 에 있어요 means something is at, in, or on a place.
신발이 문 앞에 있어요. The shoes are in front of the door. 앞에 means in front of.
우산이 문 뒤에 있어요. The umbrella is behind the door. 뒤에 means behind.
For ordinary objects, 바닥에 있어요 is usually enough. You do not always need 바닥 위에.
So Korean location is often simple. Noun.
에 있어요.
English does the preposition gymnastics.
Listen for 문, 벽, 바닥, and 천장.
문이 열려 있어요.
가방이 바닥에 있어요.
사진이 벽에 있어요.
등이 천장에 있어요.
I caught it. 문, 바닥, 벽, 천장. The room is basically labeled now.
좋아요. Now repeat after me. 문,
문,
좋습니다. The final consonant is 니은. So finish with the tongue, not the lips.
repeat. 병,
벽,
좋아요. Do not add an extra vowel after 뼘. One clean syllable.
repeat. 반합,
바닥,
repeat. 천장,
천장,
Repeat. 지붕.
지붕.
Common mistake time. If I say, 저는 이 집의 바닥에 살아요, meaning I live on this building floor, is that wrong?
Yes, that sounds like you live on the floor surface of the house. For a building level, use 층.
For example, 저는 2층에 살아요 means I live on this floor, as in this level of the building.
Got it. 바닥,
Is what my bag sits on. 층 is where my apartment is.
Second common mix-up. 천장 and 지붕. Inside the room, use 천장. Outside, on the building, use 지붕.
등은 천장에 있어요. But a bird or cat can be 지붕 위에 있어요.
Quick check. You are inside a room. A light is attached above you. Which sentence is most natural?
I'm choosing A. 등이 천장에 있어요. Because it's the inside top surface.
정답이에요. In English, ceiling is 천장, roof is 지붕, building level is 층.
One more check. Your backpack is lying on the surface under your feet. Which sentence is best?
B.
가방이 바닥에 있어요. Not sing because this is not a building level.
정리해 볼게요. 문은 door이에요. 문 앞에 문 뒤에처럼 location words combine naturally.
핵심 둘째. 벽, 바닥. 천장은 집안의 표면이에요. In English, wall, floor surface, ceiling.
핵심 셋째. 지붕은 집 밖의 위쪽 부분이에요. In English, 지붕 is the roof outside the building.
핵심 넷째. 바닥은 surface, 층은 level. In English, do not translate every floor as 바닥.
My keeper sentence is 가방이 바닥에 있어요. The bag is on the floor.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 가방이 바닥에 있어요. It will help you lock in 바닥 as the floor surface.
다음 시간에는 집안의 공간 이름을 배웁니다. 방, 거실, 부엌, 화장실. See you on the next round.